hunters.
Hello everybody, it's Michelle. Okay, so this is what happened. Nadula had sent this gorgeous V part, kinky, kinky straight, y'all. So I said, let me stop playing and actually do something with this hair. So one thing Nadula is gonna do is they're gonna come through with the presentation. Okay, look at this bag. It's the fire. Came with a satin bag for your wig for storage. The cap is constructed in such a way that it is super duper flat. It has this nice elastic band for security, and it's got adjustable straps on the bottom and combs on the side. You don't have to have a lot of leave out whatsoever. So my attempt, what this video was going to be about, it was going to be about me doing a really cute half up, half down ponytail. I'm getting my hair prepared. You see how I put that wig cap on? Okay, you could not tell me that I was not about to slay. I had gone to YouTube University and graduated. I was going to do this real cute half up, half down hairstyle. And with this wig, it is beyond beginner friendly. All right, if you've ever worn a clip in your life, okay, you do not need to have skill to put this wig on. You plop it in, you barely need leave out, to be honest. So now I'm protecting my hair with a heat protectant serum before I use my straightening brush to go ahead and blend my texture with the kinky straight texture of this wig, right?
It's a matter what the fire show. We let it burn. If you would trigger, then you must go.
Let me tell you something. You might not need skill to attach this wig to your head, but you need skill to do the hairstyle, okay? Because what was I don't know why, but I was fighting for my life. A half up, half down hairstyle with a V-part wig is not difficult. I watched videos. Them girls do it so quick and easy. I don't know what my problem was, okay? Because this hairstyle really humbled me. And I was going to add some curls and really vavoom it up. But then I started feeling self-conscious about my hairline. You know, I got a manly hairline. I don't know why my hairline is like that. It's my daggone daddy fault. Okay, my hairline is brought to you by the letter M. For Michelle. So I was humbled, you guys. I went ahead and installed this like a normal V-part wig would be worn. You know, like 8 Miles. Sometimes you gotta stop living up here and live down here. That's what I had to do, y'all. I really wanted to showcase the beauty and the fullness and the volume of this texture. I didn't want to use a flat iron for that exact reason.
I can tell something's wrong. Change your mind to what I want. Be united. We united. Stop acting all strange with your crew, with your friends. Stop what you do. Be united. Be united. Yeah. Stop right there. Let me rebound. Cause I'm not pleased. Give me refund.
So now I'm just making sure that I kind of blend in the length of my hair with the length of the wig. So I did some face framing slide cuts and I proceeded to curl up my entire hair. I believe my barrel is 1 inch. So listen to me. When you curl this hair, when you comb out these curls, you will feel like a new woman. You will feel like you just went to the mailbox and opened it up and there was a check in there. Okay, you feel like good things are gonna happen to you. The rest of the day, it doesn't matter because you're already in a great mood. Why? Because look at your hair, girl. Look at your hair. You look like $1 million. You look expressive. So thank you guys for watching my hairstyle tutorial fail. Okay, my struggle tutorial. But it worked out. And it looks good. Thank you, Nadula Hair, for the bag alone, okay? Let alone the unit.
Drop the mice in, drop the mice, drop the mice in, drop the mice in, drop the mice in, drop the mice in, drop the mice.
see that I am me, I am everything.
All the information about this beautiful unit will be in the description box below, y'all. And if you guys have any tips on how to do a half up, half down, please let me know in the comments, okay? Because I was stressing myself out. I needed a do-I fresh maker Mentos break. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!
Purple goddess got me wearing crystals. You think I'm loco? Maybe un poco. Heads are burning one by one. This is fun. Abracadabra inside my chakra. Sit down for a while, meditate.
Nadula.